Hey guys, want to know how to add black bars in Wonderset Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Wonderset Filmora. Now click on New Project that is located right here. And here, once your new project opens, in order to add black bars, it's super simple. On the left side, you can see menus right here. So simply click on Stock Media. And once you're on Stock Media, make sure you are in Library as well. And once you're there, you can simply search up for black bars. Or you can just scroll through and search for it. For easiness, just simply search and scroll down until you find the right one. And once you've found it, just simply download it and then drag and drop it to your timeline right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more little videos. See you in the next one.